Once you are ready with all the flows, all the actions, and you want to manage your app, you can go towards settings. From settings, you will be able to give your app a proper name, also give it a proper description. So if you press edit, you will be able to use all of those settings. You can also provide documentation URL, or if you have a walkthrough of the mini app itself and post it on YouTube, then you can also insert the YouTube ID here. From here, you will be able to also have subscribe and unsubscribe requests, which in the majority of the time will not be used that much. Once you're back under the My Mini Apps, then you can also go with Publish if you so wish to. You can use the draft version of the mini app if it's only for you and select few people. Just take note that the draft version will then also display in all of the flows that you use the mini app for. If you want to publish, you can go towards Publish, then set the pricing. So if you want to have pricing and sell it under the App Store, then that is a possibility. Otherwise, you can just fill in all the credentials here if you need to do so and select Submit for review, as you can see here. You can also do Save Draft, and you can then use the draft URL to install it onto your workspace. If you submit it for review, then the support team will review your app to see if it complies with all the regulations that we have for all the apps in the App Store. And if not, then you will be notified what you need to change. Once we approve the app, you will also receive an email notification of such.